Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Excuse the wet hair, holiday life, and we're keeping it real here. So I just had a nice lazy morning. I've been for a walk with the dogs, came back and had a shower and washed my hair, and then decided to make a YouTube video. So you're getting the nice fresh hair. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I am going to use my Cricut machine, which I haven't been able to use in ages just because I've been so busy. And I'm going to do a print then cut and make some stickers. My niece drew this cute little cartoon. She's so talented. She's only 13 and she drew this cute little cartoon yesterday. I'll try and show you. And she really wants it turned into a sticker. So I said I would give it a go, and she's not with me today, but I'm going to surprise her and try to make the stickers and then take them over there and see what she thinks. So I thought I would take you along for the ride because I've only ever done a print and cut like sticker, making my own stickers once, and it was ages ago, like 2 years ago. And so I have no idea what I'm doing, but I thought I'd take you along for the ride and show you what I get up to, and hopefully we end up with stickers at the end, and if we don't, well, that'll be a video that has no ending. I'm not sure. Anyway, we'll give it a go. I've got my printer, I've got my Cricut, and we'll see how we go. First of all, I need to work out if I have sticker paper here, and if not, I need to go to Officeworks. So come with me to see if we've got sticker paper. Okay, so some of those like serious Cricut people would absolutely die at the way I store my Cricut stuff. Anyway, I've just got it in this like big tub from Kmart. Oh gosh, and it's just all in there, like jammed in there together. But anyway, let's have a look at what I'm doing here. Got vinyl. The mats are down here. There's all sorts of stuff in here. Who knows? Ooh, these are the stickers that I attempted last time. They turned out okay. If they focus. Cute. That was literally 2 years ago, so I can't even remember how to do it. So we're gonna try again. Okay. Adhesive paper. Now I don't have to go to Officeworks. So I got this off Amazon, I'm pretty sure, back ages ago. Oh dear. So it's actually, yeah, I'm pretty sure I did get it off Amazon. So it's like a matte, it's called photo paper, but it's adhesive on the back. So we're gonna use this to try and make stickers for my niece. So I'll show you the Cricut design space and how I'm going to attempt to do this. I've got to try and remember how to do it, but we'll see how we go. So yeah, I've got to fire up my laptop and upload the image that's on my phone to the Cricut design space and work with it first, and then hopefully print and then cut it on the Cricut. Okay, so I'm having trouble because I want to remove the background from the image because otherwise it's going to cut it out in a square, and I wanted it to like cut the frame, like cut around the image. So I'm just going to go back, try and get rid of the background, see how I go. I think that's what I'm going to do. I'll check in very soon. Okay, so here's the update. I have now got the drawing without the background or the text, and I've just started to outline just the drawing with the white, and so that the printer knows where to cut. I'm just going to edit this, this side here, and then I'm going to airdrop it to my computer and try again on Cricut Design Space. Okay, let me see. There we go, it looks so cute. So I'm just gonna download that now to my iPad and then send it to my laptop and upload it to Cricut Design Space. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so we have the new image uploaded, and I'm just trying to make the size right. And then I go to make it, and I am going to try and get 4 on there. Let's see what happens. Oh, still only does 2. That is so annoying. I wonder how small it has to be for it to fit 4 on a page. Let's just make it even smaller and do 4. Yay, so cute. Okay, so then I don't remember what to do now. So I think over here we've got on mat, print and cut, so that all seems correct. We don't need a mirror because it's just going to be a sticker. So I think I just go continue. And then, oh, I need to turn my printer on. Okay, so I've turned my printer on, but the fun part is going to be working out which way the printer paper has to go, up or down. So this could take a few test runs, we'll see. So on my Cricut design space, I've just got to go center printer. Okay, now, let me see. I'm gonna try and put it in upside down because I feel like lots of printers like do this and they go like this way and then they print on the top of it. So on the back it says photo paper a heap of times. So I'm gonna put that facing the roof into my printer to see if that's the right layout. And then I just put that in. Then I press print. Okay, it's printing. So let's see if it comes out the right way. I've got like fingers and toes, everything crossed. It came out the right way and they are so cute. Oh my goodness, I love them. My niece is going to absolutely die when I give her these today. She's going to be so excited. Okay, so now I think I need to set up my Cricut, turn it on, get the mat out and everything ready to hopefully cut these. I should have done 6. I would have fit 6 on here. Ugh. Anyway, I'm going to set up my Cricut. I'll turn you around so you can watch me do that. Oh my god. Okay. So I'm on the floor. I'm going to set up my Cricut down here, which is why I'm lying on the floor right now. My tripod's not very big. But we're going to set up the Cricut down here and get the mat out and then we'll go from there, so you can stay tuned. Okay, so I have my... Hello. Very close. I have my Cricut mat, which is super filthy and not all that sticky, but because I have a maker, I don't actually have to use the mat that often, because if I'm doing vinyl I just use smart vinyl and then it just goes through. You don't have to use a mat, but for stuff like this I do. So I'm going to try and perfectly line it up and then connect my machine to my laptop. We are ready to cut. Oh, fingers crossed this is going to work. So I have loaded up the paper on the mat and put the mat in, and then on my Cricut design space it's just giving me the next step. So the next step is to press this button and it'll go in and make sure everything's okay, and if that's all good then it'll ask me to press play, and fingers crossed we will have 4 cut cute super cute stickers for my niece. And if they work, I'm actually going to do another print another page of them so that she's got what we'll have, maybe 10 stickers, and then I'm going to take them over to their house and I'm so excited. Okay, let's see how this works. Okay, so here's the update. They have printed and they are super cute. The only thing is that they haven't perfectly lined up. I don't know if you can see, but see how they've slightly cut off the edge? I don't know how to fix that either. So I'm going to have another attempt and see if I can get them to not cut off the edge, because the white edging has gone like super close here, but then it's been fine on this side. So I'm not sure why that happened, but I'm going to go back and test it out and have another try. But basically from here, you just literally peel them off. You can use these like tools, the Cricut tools, to like peel them off the mat. And then you have a little sticker. She is going to love these. I just want to get them right. So I want to go back and find out why it's cutting them off. Like you can see it cut the top off there and then go from there. But they're so cute anyway. She's going to be so excited. I'm going to try and fix them and come back to you soon. So I did a full calibration on my Cricut and it spits out this piece of paper on your printer and then you have to put it in and it cuts all these weird little lines and everything and you have to answer questions and all this crazy stuff. But I did it. I calibrated. I feel very like technical saying calibrated. But I think I finally have them cut out perfectly. So I'm going to peel this off and we'll see if we have the perfect lines. Yay! They look so cute. Oh, excuse the dirty mat. But oh my goodness, she is going to love them. So then you just use this little thing to like get them off without ruining them. Oh my goodness, she is going to love them. Ah, they are so cute. She's so talented. She drew these in like 5 minutes yesterday. They are so freaking cute. Okay, I'm gonna print her one more page so that she has like 12, but such a shame because these ones are a waste. That's okay, we learn from our mistakes. No, she doesn't even know I'm doing this, so she's gonna be so excited. And I'm gonna try and make her like start a little business or something. She's only 13, she could make bank out of just drawing stuff and then printing them out as stickers. They are so flippin' cute. Look at that. All right, I have this like dodgy page that printed kind of sideways, but I'm thinking I might give it a go and see if it cuts well, just because I've printed it anyway, so I may as well. And then if not, I'll print another one and cut them out, and then I'm going to take them over. I would love to show you guys her reaction, but I'm not allowed to put her on social media, so that might prove kind of difficult. But let me see if I can even just get her little voice in there whilst she sees her stickers for the first time. They are so cute. If you want more information on how I actually ended up doing it, let me know and I can post like a proper tutorial. But this was more of like story time with Georgia while I try to figure out how to use my Cricut machine properly, because it has been a hot minute since I've actually been able to use this. So yeah, thanks for coming along. I hope you enjoyed and I can't wait. Hopefully I'll get to show you some sort of reaction of how she reacts when she sees these. Bye!